putting your legs up on the wall has so many health benefits.
Have you ever wondered why little kids can sit in a deep squat for minutes without any pain, but most adults can't even hold it for a few seconds? What changed? Did our bodies change, or did our lifestyle change? Believe it or not, spending just 1 minute a day in a deep squat may help improve your hip mobility, reduce stiffness, and help your body move more naturally. It sounds almost too simple, but sometimes the smallest habits bring the biggest results. Think about how much time you spend sitting every day. You sit while eating, working, driving, studying, and relaxing. Hours pass without your body moving the way it was designed to. Over time, your hips become tight, your legs become stiff, and even your back can start feeling uncomfortable. A deep squat is one of the most natural human positions. Our bodies were built to move this way, but because we rarely use it anymore, many of us lose the ability to do it comfortably. So what happens if you spend just 1 minute in a deep squat every day? Let's start with your hips. Your hips are one of the most important joints in your body. They help you walk, run, bend, climb stairs, and even stand up from a chair. When your hips become tight, simple daily movements become harder than they should be. Holding a deep squat gently encourages your hips to move through their full range of motion. Day by day, this can help reduce stiffness and improve flexibility. Don't expect a miracle overnight, but with patience and consistency, many people notice they feel less tight and more comfortable.
Scooch up my hip as close to the baseboard as I can, and then I'm gonna lie down and swing my legs up. If you have a block or a pillow, slide it beneath your lower back. And the rest is easy. Just enjoy.
Now think about your lower back. Have you ever stood up after sitting for a long time and felt your back was stiff? You're not alone. Modern life keeps us in the same position for hours, and our muscles don't enjoy that. A deep squat can help release some of that tension by allowing your hips and lower body to move more naturally. As your hips become more flexible, your back doesn't have to work as hard to make up for tight muscles. Everything in the body is connected. When one area moves better, other areas often benefit too. What about your ankles? Most people never think about them until they hurt. But healthy ankles are important for balance, walking, climbing stairs, and even protecting your knees. When you hold a deep squat, your ankles gently stretch and move through a wider range of motion. Over time, this may improve flexibility and make everyday movement feel easier. Here's an interesting question. When was the last time you sat on the floor without needing to hold on to something to get back up? If you can't remember, you're not alone. Many adults avoid sitting on the floor because getting up feels difficult, but that's exactly why practicing natural movements matters. The less we use them, the more we lose them. Your body follows one simple rule: use it or lose it. Another great benefit of deep squats is that they wake up muscles that often stay inactive. These small muscles help keep your body balanced and stable. They support your joints and improve the way you move every day. Think of them as the foundation of a house. If the foundation is strong, everything built on top becomes stronger too. Now you may be thinking, I can't do a full deep squat. That's perfectly okay. Many people can at first, and that's completely normal. Years of sitting, tight muscles, or old injuries can make it difficult. The important thing is not to force yourself. Hold on to a chair, a table, or a wall if you need support. Place a rolled towel under your heels if that feels more comfortable. Go only as low as your body allows without pain. Every small improvement is progress. Remember, your goal isn't to impress anyone. Your goal is simply to help your body move better than it did yesterday. Another thing many people notice is better posture. When your hips become tight, they can affect the way you stand and walk. As flexibility improves, standing tall often feels more natural. Your body starts working together instead of fighting against itself. Many people also report feeling more balanced after making deep squats part of their daily routine. Balance isn't only important for athletes, it's important for everyone, especially as we get older. Better balance means more confidence while walking and a lower risk of falls. Let's talk about breathing. When people try something challenging, they often hold their breath without realizing it. Instead, breathe slowly and naturally. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Slowly breathe out. Relax your shoulders. Let your muscles soften. Good breathing helps your body relax, making the squat feel easier and more comfortable. Now here's something worth thinking about. How much time do you spend scrolling on your phone every day? 5 minutes? 30 minutes? An hour? Now ask yourself this. Can you spare just 1 minute for your own health? 1 minute is only 60 seconds. It's one song. It's one short phone call. It's one tiny part of your day. Yet that 1 minute could become one of the healthiest habits you build. Consistency matters much more than intensity. Doing 1 minute every day is far better than doing 20 minutes once a month. Your body changes through repeated habits, not occasional effort. Of course, a deep squat isn't magic. It won't cure every pain or fix every problem, but it can become one useful tool that helps your body stay mobile and active. If you have serious knee pain, recent surgery, severe arthritis, or another medical condition, talk with your healthcare professional before trying new exercises. Always listen to your body. A gentle stretch is okay. Sharp pain is not. There's a big difference. Your body gives you signals every day. Learning to listen to those signals is one of the smartest things you can do. Imagine where you'll be after 30 days. That's only 30 minutes of total practice. After a few weeks, you may notice standing up feels easier. Walking feels smoother. Your hips feel less stiff. Bending down becomes more comfortable. These may seem like small changes, but they make everyday life much easier. Health isn't always about doing something difficult. Often, it's about doing something simple again and again. Your future body depends on the choices you make today. So here's a simple challenge. Starting today, set a timer for 1 minute. Find a comfortable space. Lower yourself into the deepest squat you can do without pain. Hold on to something if you need support. Take slow breaths, relax. Stay there for 1 minute. Tomorrow, do it again. Then repeat the next day. Give yourself 30 days and see how your body responds. You might be surprised by what such a small habit can do. Before we finish, we'd love to hear from you. Can you already do a deep squat, or is it something you find difficult? Let us know in the comments because your experience could encourage someone else to start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video because it really helps our channel grow and allows us to share more simple health tips with people around the world. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming videos about healthy habits, fitness, and everyday wellness. Thanks for listening. Take care of your body, keep moving every day, and we'll see you in the next video.